Alright, so welcome back to my channel. Today on my 1972 Datsun 510, I'm going to go ahead and continue working on welding in the rocker panel. Once I get done with that, I'm going to then sort of move to the rear wheel arch. I'll sort of show you around what I did. As in my last video, you can see that I spot welded the rocker panel in place as well as finished up the inner sill and all that other good stuff. So today I'm going to finish welding in the rocker panel is what the plan is, and then I'm going to move to the rear wheel arch. Once I get done with the rear wheel arch, I can then remove the bracing and finish the inner wheel well, which I need to re-brace and reseal. There's also some metal in there that it's not in good shape, but I just don't know a good way to replace it yet, so I'm going to have to do a little bit of searching on how to do that. Once I'm done there, I'll move probably to the front fender and try to get that done a little bit, and then also maybe move to the rear fender and see about cutting out the part that's just full of cancer. But I hope you've liked what you've seen so far. This has been a ton of work, and this super cheap car is definitely teaching me a lot. Shout out to Practical Enthusiast, another YouTube channel. He's currently working on a BMW E30 right now, and he's doing a lot of the same rust repair, although his probably isn't quite as bad as this one is. But watching his videos, I got quite a few good little pointers. No way affiliated with this guy, but he's from Kansas and he's doing a good job on a BMW E30. And if you like work on cars, I would go check him out. It's definitely worth a watch. All right, so let's get to it. All right, so I went ahead and tacked a few more spots along the rocker panel, and I'll go ahead and tack these into place as well. And once I get that done, so I went ahead and tacked in the rest of the rocker panel along the top. Still have to do the bottom, but those will all be spot welds, thank goodness. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to sand here and here all along this area where I'm going to be spot welding it into place. I'm actually going to go put a few more spot welds up towards the front before I do that. And then once I get done with that, I'll lay down some weld through primer and go from there. Yeah, it's coming along a-okay. Alright, so that about does it for this rocker panel. I've got to get a small sander and actually get in and sand all of these spot welds along the way. Once I get that done, I will seam seal this bad boy, do a little skim of Bondo to sort of clean up some of the seams, and then I'm going to go ahead and paint it. But before I do all that, I'm going to move on to this rear wheel arch, which will be in the next episode. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, go ahead and comment, like, subscribe. I do appreciate it. Thank you.